There's 5 words you need to remember. You're only one video away. You see, the YouTube algorithm gives you a fresh chance every single video you post. Literally, all of your videos could be dead with no views, and that next video could change everything. So many big channels had one video go viral that sparked momentum for all their other videos and changed their life in a matter of days. So why would you give up when you're just one video away? One video away from changing people's lives. One video away from getting the success and recognition you deserve. One video away from making more YouTube ad revenue than you could ever dream of. Speaking of which, don't buy into this starving artist narrative about YouTubers that some people push. Here's Graham Stephan's YouTube ad revenue from just last year. And by the way, ad revenue is one of the smallest income streams from YouTube. There's so many other ways to monetize. I'm not saying these results are typical, but just look at someone like 9-year-old Ryan Cagey, who earned an estimated $30 million from his YouTube channel last year. YouTube can genuinely change your life and allow you to change other people's lives too. But it won't if you give up now.
You know, it took me over a year to get my first 1,000 subscribers, like a year and a half. Took like almost a year to get the second 1,000, and the fact that I just gained 1,000 subscribers in like the last 11 days, and from 4K to 5K only took 12 days, and 3K to 4K only took 19 days. It's awesome, you know. I never thought I'd be growing like this. I really didn't.
The crucial thing that separates those who succeed is that they keep going, they keep improving, they smash through that brick wall and don't give up. It's like a test, and only the persistent will pass. Because the truth is, even if it feels like you've got nowhere so far, you've definitely improved and leveled up from when you started. You might not have the results you wanted, but that work isn't wasted. You've been learning along the way, and even if you have just 1 subscriber, that's a total stranger who loved your content enough to want more of it, which in a sea of millions of channels is pretty impressive in itself. So don't get distracted by the big numbers from channels who've been doing YouTube way longer than you have. And also don't forget, even if a lot of your videos haven't worked out, it's pretty common that the YouTube algorithm can suddenly start pushing videos from months or even years ago. Just because a video hasn't done well yet doesn't mean it won't. I've seen this with some of my old videos. Nothing, then boom. And you can see this with countless other creators as well. Just look at James Janney, who got 400 subscribers in 5 months, then 250,000 subscribers in the next 2 months. YouTube growth is exponential, not linear. Things can change very rapidly. So keep going, keep learning, and don't forget to thank me when you get your reward from YouTube. However, whilst this hopefully got you pumped up to make more videos, if you want to know how James achieved such crazy growth so fast, check out this video I made on him that will give you some more practical steps for YouTube growth, so you can hopefully beat the YouTube algorithm yourself. You can also grab our free YouTube business blueprint from the description below, so you can start monetizing even with a small channel. Best of luck, you got this.